A much more refreshing day on tap. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. If you're already sick of the summertime humidity, well, we have good news for you as we go into Tuesday. Dew points in the dry category here in the 50s. They do pick up as we go into Wednesday morning, though, and then we're back into dry. Remember, it's early June. We're only going to get much more humid here, and we'll get into some of those very muggy and oppressive numbers as we go into July and August, September, and every once in a while, October as well. All right, so why have we been humid and now we're dry? Well, winds were coming out of the south yesterday, and that picked up a lot of moisture from Florida and the tropical Atlantic and putting it our way here. Now, as we go into today here on Tuesday, winds are now coming out of the west, and that's pumping in a lot of drier air from the Great Lakes and Canada, and that will be with us as we go not only into Tuesday, but Tuesday night as well. We take a look at our futurecast and our winds. Winds coming out of the west today. That means not much of a sea breeze for us. In fact, you see winds even at 12 o'clock still coming from the west-southwest, anywhere from Stafford Township all the way down to Ocean City here. No clouds to speak of for much of the day here. No rain to speak of either in our corner of the state. Here's a look at your golf forecast for Tuesday. Really good day to be out on the links. Just make sure to put the sunscreen on here. Temperatures rising from around 60 degrees at 7 a.m. to 83 degrees for places like Green Tree Golf Course and those inland here. We go towards the shore, and hey, maybe you want to do some mini golf? Maybe at North Beach Mini Golf in Atlantic City, right on the boardwalk. You can go to their website, northbeachminigolf.com. Temperatures getting into the mid-70s. Picture perfect for outdoor activities. And even wave heights are going to be relatively low, 2 to 3 feet. So a pretty good day to be out on the water as well here. Winds coming from the west and then the southwest as we go into the day here with the southeasterly swell. Some of those waves should actually be pretty clean, especially during the morning. For Tuesday night, we'll be talking about temperatures that will be in the low to mid-60s. It's a mild night. It's a summery night there with that southerly wind blowing. And then we'll kick the can all the way down the road to Friday here when we have a mini coastal storm to talk about. It will move just off the Jersey Shore, and we'll see rain primarily during the morning and midday hours. We'll see how long it lingers into the afternoon. For now, I'd say plan at least half the day to be wet, primarily in the morning. We could see up to 4 inches of tidal flooding on some of the roadways here during the high tides, and there'll be some gusty winds as well. Following the coastal storm, the return of some thicker wildfire smoke. I said last week it would come back with some sort of a vengeance as we go into this week. It looks like that will be the case on Saturday here. We'll update you as we go forward in time. Here's a look at your inland 7-day forecast. So we do actually have some showers and storms to talk about on Wednesday, which is Flag Day. Temperatures around 80 degrees. We go into Thursday, 83 degrees with a partly cloudy sky. We may have a washout on tap on Friday, but I will say the PM hours right now looking drier than the AM hours. Then we go into the weekend. Really a very nice summer weekend here. Should give us high marks on our short summer weekend weather report card. When you look at Saturday, which should be an A. Sunday, maybe about a B or so. I'd grade it. My early prognosis for right now, just a spotty PM shower storm. Temperatures will be cooler, though, around 70 degrees. Also want to tell you about our new episode of the Across the Sky podcast. We debunked the top 5 lightning myths. We also talk a little bit about our first cars as well. You can check that out wherever you get your podcasts.